previously on YouTube. We're on the way to go pick up Dumpster Raptor. And there's Dumpster Raptor. That took a dump on me. Corporate. I blew the piston.
Yep, got a little unhappy there. Oh man, that's weird. Why is it all melty? Actually, it looks like you got
piston ring, huh?
Well, it looks like you got a crack in the piston itself.
Poor Dumpster Raptor took a dump.
All screwed up in here. Your ring is melted, and you got a crack right here.
Wow.
And the side looks okay. It's like right here. I think I spun him. So here's, let me show you. So see in there, must have got one. Yeah. Wow. The ring is broken. So the rest of the see, this is what the ring's supposed to look like. This guy right here. And this is what this ring looks like. And the rest of it is still stuck on the piston where that crack is.
Wow.
Yeah. So trying to pull this out, you got...
Oh my goodness.
You got this thing really freaking hot. Or something happened in here. But that's not just ring failure. Piston is cooked. My bad.
Damn. Give us a quick rundown.
Oh man. So this is the new piston, right? I'm thinking we might want to use a piston ring compressor. Gotten away without using them before, just fine on the KTM. I'm just figuring out the best way to put this thing together. The cylinder's got a little bit of sporing on the inside of it, which you can kind of see right there. And I'm hoping it'll be okay, because you can still see the cross hatching through it. And then I also need to figure out which direction it wants the air to point, and where it wants the ring. So I'm gonna get my computer and grab a manual.
Moment of truth, holding the brake. What? What?
It's a little cold.
It's in park, right?
Yeah.
What? it's like spitting something outside.
What?
It's like spitting something on the out. Check the coolant, and then yeah, we'll bounce. Just like a actual truck. Pop the hood, get access to the radiator. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'll check the coolant. Fresh top end seems to be looking good, thanks to good old Trevor. We'll check the oil too. Make sure there's nothing leaking. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. The exhaust is very hot, obviously. Yeah, everything's looking good. Doesn't look milky. Obviously, I mean, it's a new head gasket too with the top end. What's so funny is looking in my rear view mirror, I'm like, someone's on my